An unforgettable night. The November supermoon illuminates the sky alongside Bonfire Night celebrations on November 5th. The full Beaver Moon will rise over the UK at approximately 3:55 PM GMT on November 5th. Get ready to witness it kissing the horizon. 2025's biggest moon. It will appear 14% larger and 30% brighter than typical full moons, a celestial gift you won't see again this year. Why the Beaver Moon? This is when beavers are most active, building dams and stockpiling food for winter, a reminder of nature's wisdom. Heads up, unsettled weather ahead. A series of low-pressure systems will sweep across the UK, bringing rain and wind interspersed with calm, dry spells. Clouds or not, don't miss this year's closest and brightest full moon. Its glow might just pierce through the drizzle. Grab your phones, charge your cameras, and capture this celestial spectacle. The universe is whispering, look up.